fellow bird lovers. Lucky Enterprise manufactures water feeder and bird feeder at Mumbai from best grade materials of Reliance Industries. This is large water feeder. Please feed water to birds from this. This is small water feeder. Both products are available in small and large sizes. Kindly feed grains to birds from our bird feeder. Small size has 2 foothold positions. Large bird feeder has 4 foothold position and price is 150 Indian rupees. Lucky bird feeders have plates on top and bottom. Top plate provides shelter to birds and bottom plate collects spilled grain. Lucky's products are best for birds' health, a long life, exported worldwide, and have amazing orange luster. Feed birds and God will fill your life in million ways. Call Ali 80970-81621 or at 93240 39081.